Club Factory haul, Club Factory haul, another Club Factory haul, another Club Factory haul. I think it's going to be super exciting because I haven't seen a lot of men review Club Factory. We will make him try clothes and then we will go from there on. And I'm definitely going to open this on camera, which I always do. And yeah, I think Club Factory is so cheap. If it works out, it's great. But then you do... But then you do have a lot of hits and misses. So certain things do work out, certain things don't work out at all. I'm not sure if I've received everything, but if I do, I'm gonna update that in this video. Okay, so we actually got these shoes for men. Now my dad does actually wear... I've never seen him wear anything from the market like that. So I think it's gonna be cool to, pretty exciting to try them on and then compare them, because you know the bottom reminds me of Nike shoes. I'll definitely ask him about how he feels, because if you've seen the new Nike, like the Nike base on the other shoes and the top, it's kind of similar, but yeah, this is not Nike and I don't want to buy like something that says Nike and it isn't. I'm gonna make him try it and tell you. This is one pant that he chose and he's like, no, we'll review it, and I'm gonna tell him to try this as well. Ooh, it's kind of linen-y. I do feel the material is not that great, but he is the pro, you know, when it comes to clothes and stuff. I am not the person who's good at judging the quality of a cloth or how it looks, but I'm gonna ask him to come over and, you know, tell us how he feels about it, because he's really great at it. So we have another like bunch of stuff which is tiny, and you know that's not much, so we'll go through it quickly. So I was going through iPhone 8 covers and I couldn't find anything. I bought this cover from Club Factory and I bought this for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus like ages back, 6 months or something back, and they still haven't got more options. This is something that you're gonna find, and they're really less, you know, options. I actually bought this for iPhone 7 and I just thought that it looked nice. I will be putting the coupon code when you get like some % off on your first 3 purchases in the description box below. You might want to check it out because it does work and it's benefited a lot of people. I actually bought these tinkles and I'm going to tell you how to use them in my coming video. I bought few from Amazon and I wanted to actually compare if they're as good as the one from Amazon, because these ones were cheaper. So I'm curious to try these as well. And there is no Club Factory haul if you don't have jewelry, right? So this is something I bought. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it, because in the picture it was looking really classy, but now it just kind of looks really cheap, and you know, yeah, it is cheap. So, but it wasn't that cheap. It was still for like 150 something. So I like the material of the chain though. I am not a fan of this. Nah, not my style. I think I'll be passing this on. I just buy a lot of stuff from Club Factory that, you know, I passed on. Okay, so I remember ordering another color in this, but I got 2 golds. So I think I'm gonna give one away to a friend or something when the time comes, because that was expensive as well. But this is more my style than that one. So I'll rather, you know, carry this one. And I think it looks nice, you know, from far away. It looks pretty. It's not that cheap quality when you hold it. So yeah, 200 bucks. I'm sure you would get this for cheaper as well. I actually got one for iPhone 7 Plus as well. It's this exactly same cover. Okay, so I got another cover for iPhone 7 Plus, which is kind of similar to this. But you know, we have a different vibe going on than this. So the gold is from the phone and not the part of the cover. So I think it's the similar thing. This is not something I purchased. Have they replaced it? Because this time I'm really pissed at Club Factory. I could never purchase something like that. This is EU. This is disgusting. Again, I haven't purchased any bracelets. So why have I got bracelets? Okay, so I did purchase these, which look pretty damn promising in the picture, but they aren't as promising. So these are like something that you can hang on your room, and they go like this. So these are little heart shapes, but in, you know, in the description it said it'll be chains. So yeah, Am I paying the price for something I did not want it? I just hope the clothes work out. Only then this haul is going to be a success. Because so far, I think this is the dud, the most disgusting one from Club Factory. Because I am actually going to go, and you know, they do reply to your... The support system does reply really fast. So if you're disappointed, I'm surely going to write to them. Because that's not what I ordered and that's not what I wanted. So yeah, I don't wear these kind of bracelets. It's totally not my style. Did order these earrings, which I think are nice. So there's one thing that I'm impressed about. You're totally wearing something that's gonna go with this gold. I just hope they don't oxidize as the other rings did, because they are not usable anymore. But this is pretty damn good. I ordered these in a different color, these earrings in a different color, but I got them in a different color. They don't feel that classy as they were looking, but you know, I think when you wear them, they won't know. When you wear them, it won't actually matter. Yeah, I think if you're wearing them with the right outfit, they again won't look that bad. So I ordered those. I ordered these rings, which were looking pretty promising in the picture. I never ordered these horrible bracelets. So I think it's time to call my dad in and ask him how he feels about this and the pants. I think the pants are for around 700 bucks and that's not so cheap, but
yeah, hi, thanks for this stuff and this stuff. And I can't wait, and I'm just going and trying this. So let me go try and then I can
it's for
completely review.
660 rupees. What do you feel about that?
This is 660?
Yes.
Okay, let me go try and then I can review. With 660, this is a little, because the stuff is not that good. So can I comment seriously on that?
Yeah, seriously.
The stuff is at 660, the stuff, because what they were showing, it was looking like it is lycra, and now it is just a very common cotton stuff. So, but still, let me try. The shoes are looking okay, but the stuff of the trouser, it's not properly stitched.
And you have a similar phone cover as well.
Phone covers, they are always good. Phone covers generally, because whenever you give me phone covers, they are always durable, they are stylish. So I want to give 8 on 10. Yeah, Lakshita, I'm liking the shoes. They're good, but the trouser, I'm like a little skeptical on the stuff. So I will not give too much stars on trouser, though it is like comfortable. But as far as price or the money tag, it is little expensive. But shoes are great. And thank you, daughter. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.